Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg. Today we're going to take a look at the British pound, Japanese yen. So you can see here that we've pushed off nicely from this outside return here, and we've put in a new leg, and we've got this strong move to the upside. And we have, or should I say, we were basing in with some structure here. Whoops. Now this stop hunt has already occurred, but there may be an opportunity to get involved come next week. All eyes will be focusing on this strong move up here. We drop down to the 15, and as you can see, there's little or no structure in between, meaning best place for stops being down here. This being the pound yen, there is no way 90% of the retail traders will be putting their stops down there. They will like to accumulate their stops under the next nearest point of structure, which is here, with a hope of jumping on board to ride this thing along. As you can see, we've actually pushed down to here. Let's just change that. There we go. As you can see, we've pushed down here, taken out all these stops, and now we've reversed higher. So next week, essentially, if you were to get a pullback, it certainly wouldn't be a bad area or opportunity to look to get involved. Now, I would imagine there will be some stops positioned up here. There might not be too many, just because we've traversed this channel several times, but there will certainly be some swing traders stuck up here. And once we clear this top, should we clear this top, then I am expecting some acceleration. Obviously, I'll leave targets up to you. If you get back involved, you might want to take some profit at the top of the channel. If you've got a couple of positions, you might want to look at holding them. A couple of key areas that I am looking, or certainly the main area that I am looking, is this one up here. Well, let's drag that up a bit. It's reasonably wide, but I will be looking to essentially ride this up to here. And if we get some pound strength come back in, we could potentially push higher. One thing to bear in mind is, don't forget with the Brexit shenanigans that, as we all know, that could certainly throw a spanner in the works. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, give it a like, give it a share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.